Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. If you watched our game against Wafa yesterday, the 1-1 draw, you realize that we lack creative players. There's one time Christopher Nate moved up front and he created a chance. I think that was the closing moments of the first half. Yes, closing moment of the first half. He moved forward and he created a sublime chance for, I think, Kwame Poku, and he striked, or he couldn't score the goal, or I think his effort was blocked. So with that said, we need a lot of creative midfielders, creative wingers, creative attacking players, and it is with good pleasure or with glad heart I'm telling you that Kotoko have completed the move or the signing of Zakaria Mumuni on a free transfer. He'll be joining the club this January transfer window, and I'm pleased with that signing. I haven't seen him play very much, but according to what everyone is saying, he's very good. I'll be watching more of his clip to see how good he is and how he can help the team, and I'll be giving you my thoughts on the player here on the channel. But I think he will be very good for the team, considering the fact that Godfred Esiema and Emmanuel Jimfi haven't been performing very well this season. They definitely need competition in the team, so I'm hoping that him coming will help them step up their performance, or make them step up their performance. Godfred Esiema and Emmanuel Jimfi, they need to step up because we can't win the league with those kind of performances. So Zakaria Mumuni will be joining Asante Kotoko on a free transfer, and the pictures going online, this particular picture going online that he has completed, this is him signing his contract with Asante Kotoko, and he will be unveiled very, very soon. I know we have signed him, but we shouldn't stop there. We should sign two more players, another winger or attacker, then a midfielder. We saw Sule Monero yesterday. Wasn't that match fit or not good enough? Samuel Frimpong came in the midfield and did a better job, so we need one more body in that midfield. I know Mudasiru is back and other players, but we need just one person in the midfield. But I'm pleased we got Zakaria Mumuni. That's if reports are true. I'm pleased we got him because we need a lot of talented players if we are going to win the Ghana Premier League this season. So I'm very pleased that he is signed. I can't wait for him to make his debut at the club. I also can't wait to see him start scoring goals and assisting his teammates for Asante Kotoko. So I'm pleased with the signing. I'm pleased that he has joined the club. I hope things work out for him here, because we have a lot of players that have come to Kotoko and things haven't worked for them in the past recent seasons. We should be patient with him, and he should become and gel into the team very well, because if he rushes, a lot of pressure will come on him, and he will end up not having the best time at Kotoko. So I'm pleased we're signing him. I'm pleased we are signing players. I hope we sign more players. So I think that's all for now. If you haven't subscribed, please do that right now and click the notification bell. Till next time, guys, goodbye.